Hi guys, it's Dee and welcome to Dee's Yard. Today I would like to share with you how I made an old garden bench look beautiful again. If you have or find a garden bench or any other outdoor furniture that needs a new look, you can make the repairs yourself and save money. In my case, this beautiful heavy cast iron bench would need all new wood, as the current wood was beyond repair with breakage and rot. We opted to go with pressure treated decking boards to resist the outdoor elements and maintain its integrity. I don't have a table saw, so I had my husband help rip the boards in half to create 5 slats using a circular saw. Next, I traced the top detail of the bench onto a 6-inch decking board and had my husband help cut it with a jigsaw. Then it was time to sand the wood and round out the edges. I ended up having camera issues and I lost the footage for the next step, which was to drill holes in the slats to line up with the bench's pre-drilled holes. We opted to stain and then seal the wood to match the fence in our backyard. After all the wood was dry, it was finally time to assemble the bench. I did want to mention that we opted to leave the cast iron part of the bench just the way it is to maintain that patina look. But feel free to power wash, use a wired brush, and even paint the cast iron to get your desired look. The last step for me was to prepare the area where the garden bench will go by creating an edge with my trenching shovel, laying down some cardboard so I don't have to remove any grass, and then lay down some mulch for low maintenance. This bench is very heavy and will last us a very long time. I absolutely love how it turned out. A bench like this retail would cost around $300 to $400 and we restored it for under 40 bucks. Thank you all so much for watching and I will catch you on the next one. Bye guys.